Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm your speakers or headset are powered and cables seated, and test them on another device to rule out hardware. Once done, run Windows with admin rights and create a restore point so you can undo changes. Next, open Settings, go to System then Sound, and pick the correct default output device. This identifies the signal path. Make sure you note the current sample rate and format so you can compare after the reset. Now you go deeper. Open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game controllers. Right-click your audio device, choose Uninstall Device, and check Delete the driver software for this device to force a clean reinstall. Then use Action Right Arrow Scan for hardware changes to let Windows reinstall a fresh driver. After that, go back to Sound Control Panel, open the Device Properties Right Arrow Advanced, disable Audio and finish strong, open Services. MSC and restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio and Point Builder. This clears locked sessions. Then reboot the PC to ensure driver and service changes apply. Once back, test sound and run the built-in Windows Audio Troubleshooter if you still see issues. It can fix common registry and configuration errors. If audio remains broken, use the restore point you made earlier to revert, and then inspect hardware, or try the manufacturer's driver from their support site as a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.